your hands, feel free to,
Okay.
wave your hands around. Yeah.
Sure.
This is Sanel, take one.
Corbin Russwin represents a legacy brand within the architectural hardware industry.
We have a comprehensive portfolio of locking solutions for institutional commercial doors,
ranging from cylindrical locks, mortise locks and exit devices, as well as mechanical key systems and door control products.
Corbin Russwin is definitely one of the leaders in innovation when it comes to architectural door hardware.
We're always looking to improve, and that improvements just goes hand in hand with the product itself.
With our modern exit device solutions, not only are we able to provide additional technology that wasn't available in the past, but we're able to improve safety for end users in their buildings by minimizing catch points.
we have anything you would need to connect those lock doors to an EAC or electronic access control system. Wireless technology to an EAC system affords customers an inexpensive way to get real-time access control at an opening.
Being able to go visit his customers in the U.S. is instrumental in what we do.
A day doesn't go by where we're not measured to something that was driven by the customer experience.
We take the feedback that we give and incorporate it into future product development as well as ease of doing business.
We have an amazing team here, and not just in engineering, but in all the different departments that we collaborate with.
Being a premium brand comes with a lot of responsibility. The team here has a lot of pride.
I think when you hear Corbin Russwin as a product, you know that you're getting not only a product, but you're getting the company behind it to support the product.